Students, today I discuss relation between phase difference. Once again I repeat, relation between phase difference delta phi and path difference delta x. Okay. Today question is relation between phase difference and path difference. Generally, I take one wave, Nana. Look here, this is the wave, progressive wave. Progressive wave means the wave moves in the forward direction and never return to back. Okay? This is the crust, Nana. This is also crust. Crust ki major distance, lambda. And phase is nothing but the angle, Nana. Here to here 90 degrees, here to here 180 degrees, here to here 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 180, 360. The phase difference between two crusts is 2 pi. Okay? This is lambda distance phase is 2 pi. Unit distance means it becomes 1 by lambda. Edges na both side divide nana by lambda. So that's why here 2 pi by lambda. Once again I repeat, lambda distance ki phase difference is 2 pi. Unit distance ki unit ravalante both side divide by lambda. Unit distance ki phase is 2 pi by lambda. For example, delta x distance ki edges na both side na 2 pi by lambda into delta x. That means both side multiplied by delta x. Delta x into 1 delta x. 2 pi by lambda into delta x. This is called phase difference. Once again I repeat, lambda distance ki 2 pi. Unit distance ki 2 pi by lambda. Delta x distance ki 2 pi by lambda into delta x. This is nothing but the phase difference. Once again repeat, what is the phase difference formula? 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Here lambda is wavelength. Delta x is nothing but the path difference. Delta phi is nothing but the phase difference. Here, this is the relation between phase difference and path difference. Delta phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Okay? And again, directly I give phase difference and time difference relation. Delta phi equal to 2 pi by capital T into delta t. Here, delta small t indicate time difference. Delta phi is nothing but the phase difference. Capital T is nothing but the time period. What is the relation between phase difference and time difference? Delta phi equal to 2 pi by capital T into delta t. What is the relation between phase difference and path difference? Delta phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Okay? These two is most important formulas in the chapter of waves. Okay? And next I discuss relation between velocity of the particle and velocity of the wave. Once again I repeat, find the relation between particle velocity and wave velocity. Here in the chapter, what is the displacement of the particle formula? Nana? Yesterday I give. Suppose the wave propagating along positive x-axis, y ki formula a into sin of omega t minus kx, equation number 1. Okay? Here, suppose the wave propagating along positive x-axis, displacement of the particle formula is a into sin omega t minus kx. Here to determine velocity of the particle. velocity is nothing but the rate of change of displacement. This is the displacement. Rate of change of displacement means both sides differentiating with respect to time. Student nana bangar quantal displacement by time is called velocity. Here also d by dt of a into sine of omega t minus kx. Here look here. Here displacement by time is called velocity of the particle. Okay, equal to. Here constant a nana common. Okay, sinic differentiation nana cos nana into omega t minus kx. Sinic differentiation cos లోపల ఉన్నది ఒమేగా టీ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఒమేగా కాన్స్టెంట్ కామన్, టీకి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 1 dt by dt cancel. This is a constant. Constant की differentiation 0. That means omega into 1 minus 0. Simply write as omega. Neatly write as what is the velocity of the particle. Here, look here, omega a cos omega t minus kx. Equation number 2. Next nana, I discuss in the topic slope nana. Slope and in the mathematics tan theta. Tan theta nothing but the dy by dx nana. Slope of the wave dy by dx. Here d by dx okay nana. Y and displacement of the particle in the form chapter a sin omega t minus kx. Here a constant common, sinic differentiation cos nana omega t minus kx. Here look here. Here x is there, here t is there. This is constant. Constant differentiation becomes 0 minus here k constant common. Here dx by dx 1 nana. Neatly write as minus ka cos omega t minus kx. This is called slope nana. Slope in the topic is nothing but the dy by dx. Here this is the equation number 3. I write equation 2 by equation 3. Look here nana. What is the equation 2 left side? Velocity of the particle. What is the equation 3 left side? Slope equal to. Okay. What is the equation to right side? Omega a cos of omega t minus kx by what is the slope equation right side? Minus ka cos of omega t minus kx. Here a cancel nana. Neatly write as minus. In the previous topic, that means yesterday I discussed omega by k is right as velocity of the wave. Yesterday I gave 2 formulas for velocity of the wave. Velocity of the wave, first formula n lambda, second formula omega by k. Okay, here omega by k right as velocity of the wave. Cos cancel. Left side it neatly write as velocity of the particle by slope. Here denominator other side numerator. Neatly I write velocity of the particle equal to minus velocity of the wave into simply write as slope. Okay. This is the relation between velocity of particle and slope and velocity of the wave. This is most important relation. Now I discuss 3 formulas. First formula. What is the relation between phase difference and path difference? delta phi equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x. Next I discuss second formula. Phase difference and time difference formula is delta phi equal to 2 pi by capital T into delta t. Third formula, relation between particle velocity and velocity of the wave. Here velocity of the particle is minus velocity of the wave into slope. That neatly write as in this manner. Look here, velocity of the particle equal to minus slope into velocity of the wave. Okay, this is IIT JEE question. I can explain now. This is 2019 JEE advanced lo ichchadu nana. Look here, this is the graph nana. This is the question. Look here, this is the graph. This is the wave propagation nana. Okay, I consider 3 points. One is A, other one is B, other one is C. At A, at B, at C, find particle velocities. Once again repeat the question. This is the wave propagation. At A, at B, at C, find the particle velocity. First I draw the slope nana. Tangent gives the direction of slope. Okay, that means the slope is upward. Here velocity of the particle and slope ela undali opposite. Here slope is upward, velocity of the particle is downward. That means downward in the mathematics write as negative. Oh, ఇది positive, ఇదేంటి negative. Okay, look here once again. The tangent drawn at point A, this is upward, this is slope. Here slope upward, velocity of the particle is downward, because velocity of the particle and slope according to negative opposite direction. Here slope upward, velocity of the particle downward. That means velocity of the particle is negative. Again, at C I discuss Next I discuss C nana. Look here, tangent give here. Okay, here this is the slope nana. Here according to this concept, velocity of the particle and slope ela undali opposite. Here slope downward, velocity of the particle upward. And at C, upward means we take what here? Positive. Completed. Next nana, at point B I discuss nana. At point B I discuss. Here at point B slope drawn here none. This is not neither be increasing slope nor be decreasing slope. Here slope becomes 0. Automatically velocity of particle also 0, because velocity of the particle equal to minus into slope into velocity of the wave. Slope 0. 0 into anything 0. That means velocity of the particle is 0. Simply call as at A, velocity of the particle negative. At C, velocity of the particle positive. At B, velocity of the particle is 0. Okay, this is the IIT model. Yesterday also some models I discussed in the class only. Okay, next I discuss energy, power, intensity of the wave. Next I discuss energy, power, intensity of the wave. I discuss in this topic now. Okay, first we know that velocity of the particle, just previous concept I derived. A omega cos of omega t minus kx. This is the velocity of the particle formula in the previous concept. Okay, equation number 1. Here first I discuss energy. Wave I discuss progressive wave. Progressive wave means the wave moving in forward direction and never return. The wave moves. Motion of the energy is called kinetic energy. Per unit volume, first I determine. Kinetic energy, just previous formula of mv square. Here v and velocity. Here write volume. Here taken kinetic energy by volume. Here half into mass by volume write as density of the wave into v square. Left side kinetic energy by volume. Okay. But here what is the velocity of the particle value? Here write half into rho into what is the v square nana? H square omega square squaring nana. Cos square omega t minus kx. This is the kinetic energy by volume. Okay. Here neatly write as here also other side. What is the kinetic energy formula nana? Kinetic energy formula is half rho a square. Rho and density, a and amplitude. Omega square, once again cos square omega t minus kx. This volume write as surface area into distance. Okay. Now volume write as area into length. Okay. Next nana, here first to determine what nana energy. మనం ఏం డిటర్మైన్ చేసాం? కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ. ననా టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ అంటే సింపుల్గా మ్యాక్సిమం కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఓఆర్ఆర్ మ్యాక్సిమం పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ. బికాస్ టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ అంటే ఏంటి కొండలో కేఈ ప్లస్ పిఈ. పిఈ జీరో అనుకో, కేఈ ఏమైనట్టు మ్యాక్సిమం. దట్ మీన్స్ టోటల్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద maximum kinetic energy. Okay, here look here, what is the kinetic energy value here? Half rho h square omega square. nana maximum అన్నప్పుడు cos వాల్యూ ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి తెలుసా? 1. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే cos 0 వాల్యూ ఎంత నాన్న? 1. cos 60 వాల్యూ 1/2. cos 90 వాల్యూ 0, cos 180 వాల్యూ -1. వీటన్నిటిలో ఏది మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ? 1. ఎన్ని డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర? 0. అంటే సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలి అంటే cos 0 తీసుకోవాలి. బికాస్ ఐ టేక్ హియర్ మ్యాక్సిమం కావాలి అంటే కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ కాస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ కాస్ మ్యాక్సిమం అయితే కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఆల్సో మ్యాక్సిమం. cos maximum value ఎంత? 1 into surface area into delta t. This is the formula for total energy of a progressive wave. Okay, first one completed. Next one I discuss power nana. In the first year power ante the work by time. Simply ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే rate of flowing of energy simply called as total energy by delta t. What is the total energy formula here nana? Half rho h square omega square surface area into delta t whole by delta t. Delta t what? Cancel. What is the formula for power nana? Half. Tell me. Rho h square omega square into surface area. This is the formula for power nana. 1 minute nana, I can wrong here. This is surface area into delta x kada. Here not delta t, this is delta x. Here also, sorry nana, delta x. Here what? Denominator delta t. Nana, distance by time is called what here? Velocity. So into what right here? Velocity. Okay, nana here this is the delta x. Power and energy by time. Distance by time is called velocity. This is the velocity of the wave. Okay. Next, Nana. Here, once again I repeat, last step I determine intensity. What is the intensity definition? Intensity ante power by area. Power by area. What is the power? According to here, neatly write as half rho h square omega square surface area into velocity. Here also denominator also surface area. Surface area cancel. What is the final formula for intensity, Nana? Half rho h square omega square పక్కనే ఉంది v. This is the formula for intensity of a wave. Okay. Here, what is the total energy formula? This is total energy formula. What is the total energy formula? Half into rho into a square into omega square into surface area into distance. Here, neatly write as power formula half into rho into a square into omega square into surface area into velocity of the wave. Here rho and density of a given wave propagating medium. Okay, capital A indicate in the chapter amplitude, omega indicate angular frequency, S into A surface area velocity. Okay, here this is the formula for intensity of the wave. According to this formula, intensity of the wave directly proportional to A square. Most important formula in the next chapter, wave optics. లైట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ద వేవ్ అంటే డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆంప్లిట్యూడ్. స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ద వాట్, నానా? ఆంప్లిట్యూడ్. What is the formula? Intensity of the wave is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. Okay, this is the formula. What is the intensity of wave formula? Of rho a square omega square into v. Here capital A indicate amplitude, omega indicate angular frequency of the wave, v indicate velocity of the wave, rho indicate density. This is the formula for intensity. According to this formula, intensity of the wave and a square directly proportional. It is the most important formula in the next chapter. The chapter name is wave optics. Okay. Next class I discuss again different concept. Look here.